Welcome everybody, this is Tom from learnmusicwithtom.com, and today we want to have a look at the interval called unison. And in short, a unison is the relation between two pitches where the pitches both have the exact same frequency. So for example, you play an A and you play the exact same A, and there you go, that's your unison. The same, of course, relates to other notes. For example, the G and the exact same G, you're playing a unison. You can play it consecutively or you can play it synchronously, doesn't matter. Either way, it's a unison. And this concludes the whole lesson, believe it or not. And this type of unison is called a perfect unison. There are other types of unisons, augmented and diminished ones, but we're gonna skip them because I don't consider them music theory basic stuff, because that's the point where music theory gets into rocket science and does not really have many practical implications for us musicians, but are rather subject to deeper studies and a bit of nerdy stuff if you want. So the takeaway for this lesson is a unison is the relation between two pitches where the pitches share the exact same frequency. So what I want you to do is just go ahead and practice your unisons by picking any note of your instrument and playing it twice or playing it consecutively, depending on the capabilities of your instrument. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I see you for the next one.